That sound? That's the sound of disappointment. The sound of wasted money in a yard still covered in leaves. This year, we went to war with a mountain of leaves. We tested corded, cordless, and gas-powered blowers and vacuums from every major brand. We didn't just look at specs on a box. We tested for power, battery life, noise, and pure cleaning ability. And what we found was shocking. Most of them failed our tests. But a select few, absolutely dominated. In this video, we reveal the only 5 leaf blowers and vacuums you should even consider in 2025. Get ready to clear your yard in record time. Starting at number 1. Ego Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. Best overall, battery-powered. After a year of testing, the Ego Power Plus 670 CFM blower continues to impress us with its maneuverability, raw power, and long run time, which is why it remains our favorite battery-powered leaf blower. It's a single-function model that doesn't vacuum or mulch, but we think it's worth adding to your power tool lineup, especially after using it in our large yard to clean up leaves from 3 big trees in the fall. We like that it has an easy dial you can use to adjust the output from 250 to 530 CFM to handle lighter jobs and thick mats of wet leaves. During spring and summer, we use this leaf blower all around our property to corral grass clippings and remove other debris. It works quite well to virtually sweep our driveway and walkways, leaving them spotless and free of grass clippings, and it's also maneuverable enough to get into tight spots. Once leaves start falling all around our property, we switch to using turbo power, which tackles the job quickly. Just keep in mind that it can be tiring to hold down the button, and the batteries do drain faster. After about 22 minutes, we have to swap out the batteries from another one of our Ego tools, otherwise, we would have to stop and wait for the battery to charge. Number 2. Works 20V Cordless Leaf Blower. Best budget. For less than $100, you can get a lightweight and powerful leaf blower for your backyard with this Works pick. We find it to be great for small to medium yards as we clear plenty of debris from grassy areas, flower beds, sidewalks, and a concrete porch. It's not bulky like some leaf blowers can be, and it works just as well on wet leaves as it does on dry ones. While it is loud on high, on the lower setting, it isn't loud at all. The battery lasts about 15 minutes on the high setting, which is more than enough time to clear our space. You can actually hear the battery dying, too. It starts to not feel as powerful, quiets down, and then stops. Its short runtime is why we think it's better suited for small to medium spaces unless you have a second battery on hand. Otherwise, it might be an issue to wait 5 hours to finish the job, which is how long the battery takes to charge. We do wish the blower tube were easier to disassemble for storage, though, as it's hard to take apart once connected. We also found that it's not great for precision tasks like blowing leaves in a pile, but it's a solid, powerful blower for just about anything else. Number 3. Echo 2-Stroke Cycle Handheld Leaf Blower. Best overall, gas. The Echo 2-Stroke Cycle Handheld Leaf Blower is our favorite gas leaf blower because it's powerful, surprisingly lightweight, and works very well for day-to-day tasks. We are especially impressed with how well it handles different surfaces, including our yard, sidewalk, and brick patio, which we've had trouble clearing with other methods. This leaf blower is similar to the Ego Power Plus 670 CFM blower, our overall best electric leaf blower recommendation, in terms of specifications. It has slightly lower airflow and wind speed numbers, but it performs very similarly in real life. The main difference is that it's much louder, so make sure to wear ear protection. The airflow feels very powerful, and it never has any trouble removing any debris we aim it at. We use it to clear wet grass clippings, dry and wet leaves, and other debris from a variety of surfaces. There are a lot of large trees in the neighborhood we tested it at, and it tackled piles of leaves without an issue. One area where this leaf blower really impressed us was our brick patio, which we struggled to clean with a broom in the past. We had even been unable to get it totally clean by hosing it off, but this leaf blower left it spotless. We were also able to blow off our patio furniture while we were at it. Number 4. Greenworks 2432240V Cordless Leaf Blower / Vacuum. Best vacuum combo. Our favorite budget-friendly leaf blower that can vacuum and mulch is the Greenworks Cordless Brushless Leaf Blower / Vacuum. After testing in 2 different settings, a smaller property with a patio, walkways, porch, and sidewalks, and a larger yard with 2 huge trees, we think it's especially suited for smaller spaces. This blower does a great job clearing wet and dry grass clippings from our yard, patio, and walkway. The airflow is on the low side, but the airspeed is quite fast, so it excels at blowing lightweight debris like grass clippings. It's much quicker than sweeping manually and less tiring since the blower is very light and easy to handle. We then decided to test it out on a larger yard during peak leaf falling season with a thick carpet of dry, fallen leaves. It did move the leaves, but it took forever, and the battery ran out quickly. We even decided to use a rake while waiting for the battery to charge. This combo model comes with a blower tube, a vacuum tube, and a large collection bag, and we found it quite easy to switch between modes. The accessories snap into place without too much time or effort, and the process isn't difficult to figure out. It is a little awkward to hold and access the controls when using it in vacuum mode, but we were able to use it effectively anyway. Number 5. Husqvarna 2-Cycle Gas Backpack Leaf Blower. Best backpack, gas. The Husqvarna 150BT backpack leaf blower runs on gas and has a hefty 51 cubic centimeters motor and outperforms all of our other recommendations by a significant amount. We were blown away by the sheer speed of the air flowing from the nozzle and the massive volume of air it pushed, which made very short work of an 800 square foot area covered in grass clippings and leaves. While we used this leaf blower in a relatively small area, the power impressed us so much that we're confident that it's suitable for the biggest yards with the heaviest leaf coverage. It shortened the amount of time we'd typically spend on yard maintenance, blowing away wet grass clippings and leaves with remarkable speed. All that power comes with a few downsides, including noise and flying debris. We feel like it's very important to wear ear protection when using this tool, and you may want to consider eye protection or a face mask. And there you have it. The 5 champions that earned their spot in our garage. No more guesswork, no more wasted cash. If you're ready to make leaf cleanup a breeze, all 5 of these powerhouse machines are linked for you in the description below. Go find the perfect one for your yard. If this brutal testing saved you time and money, please hit that like button, it really supports our channel. Share this video with your neighbor who's still struggling with a rake. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more real-world tests that help you buy what actually works. Now go enjoy that clean lawn.